What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Polygon here, and as you can see, it's actually looking really good, isn't it? This chart overall, very bullish indeed, we would say. Massive coiling formation, as we said, you know, basically forever now. Breakout, backtest, looking really good. Come all the way down, perfectly backtest here. Coming down here, backtesting our massive pennant formation. Get the real big pickup. Obviously, got stuck under our 078 extension on our Fibonacci here. Bitcoin rolls over, so we come back down to support. We roll all the way back down to around 150. And we get a really nice pickup off the bottom yet again for Polygon, showing a lot of strength right now and a lot of demand actually. It's outperforming quite a lot of other larger cap cryptos, you know, those larger, you would say, blue chip altcoins, we would say, like, for example, VeChain, Cardano, Polkadot. Polygon probably being in this category. You can see it's actually doing pretty damn well. Every time it comes down to support, it does get bought up really nicely, and you can see here exactly what happened over the past few days. You can see Polygon here, we come all the way up to our Fibonacci level. We chunk our way down. We have a little rising wedge, obviously with the breakdown target, which we talked about yesterday. We come down, we basically double bottom back test the 618 here, and just look at how well this level is respected right here. You can see big bullish divergence. We obviously get that continuation, the rollover. We've got the lower lows on the price action, the higher lows on the RSI. You can see that quite clearly there. We come all the way down, we get the overextension down to, what is this, 149.5, so almost 150, basically 150. We come back up, we respect the 0618 perfectly here as support. You can see just how much we wicked back onto this level. That is absolutely amazing to witness. And then since then, we have got a nice pickup here, slowly trading to the upside, looking as though we've got back up to the top of a little bit of a range, looking something like this, between the 618 and this level here at around 172. And if that's the case, you can see here potentially, you know, we are looking as though we could be looking at a nice little breakout here. We're quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin still, but Polygon showing a lot of strength in the face of that. And overall, we would say, you know, this is looking pretty bullish, isn't it? If we do break out here, back test, we're obviously targeting that 180 level we've been talking about for a while here. And we do have that $1.95 to $2 level. That is a really big level we want to see being hit as well. But overall, we'd say, you know, Polygon here, it is hitting a level of resistance of this little range, and we could be looking at a little bit of a rollover back down to here into these levels at like 160, 165 before getting that pickup and that continuation. But overall, we'd say obviously Polygon was getting horribly overextended to the downside, just like Bitcoin, and you know, the bears were getting super greedy and then they got wrecked as a result, didn't they? A quick look at the Bitcoin chart will show you everything that you need to know, really. You can see quite clearly here, price action coming down, RSI coming up massively here. I mean, look at the divergence here of the price action and the RSI. The bear's getting super greedy. The price comes down to, what is it, 53.3k, and then we get the huge pickup off the bottom here. Basically, we formed a little bit of a range like this, didn't we? You can see it here. We come down, up, down. We come back to the middle. We come down again. We try and get the swing out of the range, but we come back inside, and you know, once we come back inside the range here, you're thinking, okay, this is looking very bullish indeed. And we get the massive pump upwards over the next 4 or 5 hours here, all the way up to, what is it, 58.3k, a very nice pump indeed. And now Bitcoin looking as though, you know, it potentially just is coiling up for something, you know, maybe something like this, where we could see potentially a continuation or just, you know, a continued bear. This is looking like a bull flag, isn't it? Look at this. Trading downwards, you know, if you get the breakout to the upside of this, something like this, and then boom, that's obviously, you know, very textbook trading there, 101. But for Polygon, taking a look at this chart, looking very good indeed. We do think that Polygon probably going to see a breakout pretty soon if Bitcoin's looking good. But, you know, over the next day or so, we might see a little bit of consolidation before breaking out this range and getting back up towards those levels everyone wants. So We do short-term price predictions, keep things nice and short and sweet. If we roll over quite significantly, obviously that 618 at around 152. Again, very strong support. We do think that would hold very nicely. Just trading the range here, you can see resistance support until we see a breakout. But if we do breakout and backtest, we are targeting that 180 level and obviously that 195 Fibonacci 078 extension level as well. And as we always say, we do think Polygon a really good quality project. If they do start getting more DeFi in their ecosystem, we could be looking at some very, very nice price action indeed. And if that's the case, then we'll obviously be looking at, potentially, probably we'd say $5 to $10 is quite a conservative price target. We do have that 227 extension at $17, which would obviously be absolutely incredible. For anyone who's holding from 1 or 2 cents, you would be absolutely in dreamland there. But obviously, overall, we'd say Polygon conservatively $5 to $10, very likely so. I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.